The AI revolution is here, your chance to cash in. You hear it everywhere you turn. AI, artificial intelligence, it's changing the world. And guess what? It can change your life too. AI is your ticket to making money, even if you have zero skills. Forget everything you thought you knew about needing years of experience or expensive degrees. AI is leveling the playing field. It's putting opportunity right at your fingertips. This is your moment. Are you ready to seize it? AI, no skills needed, just smart moves. Let's cut to the chase. You're here because you want to make money. You've heard the whispers about AI. And you're wondering, can I really do this? Can I really make money with AI even if I don't know where to start? The answer is a resounding yes. The beauty of AI is that it does the heavy lifting for you. Think of it like having a team of experts working for you 24/7. All you need is the right tools and the willingness to learn. No coding, no complex algorithms, just simple, easy-to-use platforms that are ready to make you money. 3 easy ways to turn AI into your personal money-making machine. Here's the deal. I'm all about giving you actionable steps. So let's dive into 3 incredibly simple ways you can start making money with AI today. 1. Create and sell digital products. Imagine this. You're creating stunning ebooks, eye-catching social media templates, or professional presentations, all in minutes. Canva AI makes it possible. You don't need design skills. AI does the design for you. You simply input your ideas and boom, you have a product ready to sell on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. 2. Become a freelance writing superstar. Always dreamed of being a writer? ChatGPT is your magic wand. This AI-powered writing assistant can help you write anything from blog posts and website copy to engaging social media content and even scripts. Offer your writing services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and watch the orders roll in. 3. Unleash your inner artist, even if you can't draw a straight line. AI art is exploding in popularity. With tools like DALL-E 2 and Midjourney, you can generate incredible, unique pieces of art simply by typing in a description. Sell your AI art as prints on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. The possibilities are endless. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6 are great places to start. The future is now. Start building your AI empire today. Listen to me, the AI revolution is not coming, it's already here. Don't be that person who looks back 5 years from now and says, I wish I had started then. This is your chance to get ahead, to build a brighter future for yourself. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner, it doesn't matter if you only have an hour a day. What matters is that you start. Take action, experiment, learn. The magic happens when you stop dreaming and start doing. The future of making money is here and it's powered by AI. Are you in?